Okay, this is our thickened sauce with all our vegetables, carrots, onions, celery, and potatoes. We made our roux, added our liquid, and let it simmer. It's thickened up. Now we're going to add our chicken, which we've poached, cooled, and diced. It is, you see, it's a little bit pink. It's just barely cooked. You don't want to overcook it because this still has to go into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And if you really fully cook that, that would be too much cooking. It would be dry and tough. I'm going to stir that in. Finally, we have our frozen petite peas. Let them thaw a little. And I also have some dill. Love that dill and marjoram. The herbs go in at the very end, so they hold on to their vibrancy, they hold on to their flavor. That's where they're best used, at the end of a dish. Okay, we're going to drop those in, stir that around, let that heat through, and our stew is complete. In the next clip, we're going to start to assemble our pot pie. I'll see you then.